Pre-launch prizes. Pre-launch prizes. Today, let's talk about how to make good money by investing in real estate when these properties are at their pre-launch prices. Hello everyone, it's Iluyinka here again, your number one caring realtor in Lagos, Nigeria. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, you know that you are always sure to get good information, educative information that will enable you grow your wealth through real estate. Alright, so what do we mean by pre-launch prices? As the name implies, before, launch. So the prices that comes before these companies or real estate developers actually launch their estates is what we call pre-launch prices. And why do we have to do pre-launch prices? Because usually these estates, lands, or even apartments and duplexes, they are at the virgin level. Most of the time, if it's bare land, maybe there's no perimeter fencing yet, maybe there's no gates house yet, no infrastructure anywhere. At this point, developers will now call us and say, for early investors, let us give them an opportunity. People that will trust us, people that will know that we mean what we're saying. Let's give them a benefit. So that is why a lot of real estate developers give us pre-launch prices opportunity. And this is a beautiful way to make good money in real estate investments. You can literally make millions of naira when you invest early. You know, like I always say, early is cheap, but late is expensive. So basically, these are just the few reasons why we have pre-launch prices, opportunities out there for you smart investors. And it is a very good way to quickly enter into these investment opportunities. So, but you need to also be careful. It's not everything that looks good that is really good. As the saying goes, not everything that glitters is gold. So there are some basic things that you must look out for whenever you want to invest in pre-launch estate. There are still the same things that you look out for when it comes to real estate investing generally. But number one is the location. You have to know the location of these estates. Is the location very viable? Is the location a location that you are sure will give you good return on your investments? Is it near good schools? Is it near good infrastructures? Is it near government presence areas? Is it an area whereby you are sure of the potential that it carries? And that is why you need an expert when you want to invest anywhere in the world, especially here in Lagos, Nigeria. You have to work with an expert that understands the environment. So location is very key before you go into any real estate investing and before you jump on any pre-launch opportunity that you see out there. Also, the credibility of the developer. Who is the developer? Are they new in the industry? Have they done other projects before now? Have they been able to deliver in terms of allocation, in terms of giving out apartments to old clients? Are their old clients pleased with them? All these factors matter. Is the developer accessible? Not the one that you will invest and you can't even reach out to them to find out about the progress of the estates. So all these factors are also why you need to work with a real estate expert like I am that will know who you should work with and who you should deal with. So that's credibility of the developer, location, then the price. When we say pre-launch, it could be a false pre-launch in the sense that the price could be the same or equivalent to what is going on in the markets. But when we say pre-launch, ordinarily it should be below market value. It should be something that is obvious, that every other property around there is already going higher than they are offering. Then you know that it's a good deal. So the price matters. And then the opportunity of payment plans. Are they giving you 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, even 24 months payment plans. All this matter when you want to make a decision about investing in any estates, and most especially in the pre-launch deals that we have for you. And lastly, you have to take very serious caution and do your due diligence when you are checking the title of such properties. Be sure that the title is either an excision or certificate of occupancy, a C of O, or a deed of assignments. And be sure that there is no encumbrance whatsoever on any of these deals, because you don't want to buy a good price and then have a lot of problems afterwards. So those are the key things that you need to check when you want to invest in a pre-launch deal. And there are so many examples of how many people have cashed out in real estate when it comes to pre-launch price. They might not have cashed out in cash, but already in figures they know. Because some months back last year, we sold Itunu residential. It started, I think, at 16 million thereabouts, but it closed at 26 million naira. Already today, the phase 2 is selling for 35 million naira. So already, what that tells you is that the land that someone bought for 16 million, give or take, is worth 35 million naira as at today. And it will keep on appreciating, because real estate always appreciates, especially, and that is when you have done your proper due diligence and you have a good title in your hands. So also, I remember when we also sold the landmark apartments. Landmark apartment at Abidjan started selling at a pre-launch price of 37.5 million naira for a 2-bedroom apartment. That same 2-bedroom apartment is selling for 41 million naira right now. So that's already about 4.5 million naira gain. And it will keep on appreciating. And these are apartments. So it's not only on land that we have pre-launch, we also have it on apartments also. Even we have apartment at Ibadan right now, a 2-bedroom going for 45 million naira. As far as I'm concerned, that is a pre-launch, because by the time that goes higher a little bit more, you are talking about 50 million thereabouts. So my dear clients, do not take pre-launch deals for granted. Do not ignore when you hear when we are shouting pre-launch, pre-launch, pre-launch. Please hurry, make your inquiries, ask questions, go for inspection, decide, and lock it down. Right now we have quite a number of pre-launch projects, pre-launch prices of different estates right now. We have number 1, TIWA. TIWA Garden City is properly located already. It is very close to the new Lagos International Airport. It is right opposite it, as in it is in different directions. Let's say 10 to 15 minutes drive. And that alone is an advantage. Nearness to the international airport, nearness to where governments are investing in trillions of naira. This is an advantage. It will bring good employment, it will bring good facilities, social life will be very beautiful in such areas. So you enjoy these locations. It's a good location. The title is very good. The price is very, very, very good right now. Already, all estates around TIWA right now, they are doing minimum of 25 million naira, and they are still selling for 19 million naira. Read the caption for the other price, because we have different sizes of plots. But the 500 square meter is going for 19 million naira. And the beautiful part of TIWA is that it has an 18-month payment plan. So these are great deals that you don't want to sleep on. Quickly call me. Let's schedule an inspection. Let's go and see this property so you can lock it down with at least 2 million naira and spread payment for 18 good months. It is a good deal. We also have the FAIRMONT. FAIRMONT is, in fact, right opposite the international airport. The 4th mainland bridge is going to be landing on that road between the airport and Fairmont Green and Smart Estates. This is a lovely estate. Already, the infrastructure that you want is already showing face already as of today. And this property is going for 18 million naira right now, pre-launch. By end of this month, both TIWA and FAIRMONT will increase prices. By March 1st, talking about a new price altogether. And these are lovely estates in good locations with good title, built by credible developers. So you don't want to delay at all on this. And we also have the Coral City at ISHERI-NORTH GRA. For those of you that always say, Yinka, I don't want to go to the island, I prefer the mainland, and I want something affordable. Coral City is at ISHERI-NORTH GRA, and right now it's at a pre-launch price of 13 million naira for 500 square meter. This price is really good. It's a government approved excision land, so there's no encumbrance whatsoever, and this price is all inclusive of documentation, of survey, of anything that you may worry about. So this is a very good property. We also have the 300 square meter going for 7.5 million naira. This is a mainland property. You can take advantage of it. In fact, just call me so that I can advise, I can give you suggestions, I can give you recommendations. I am an expert in this industry. So please don't delay, don't be dilly-dallying, don't waste time, because if you waste time, you lose. So without belaboring the matter, the main gist that I have for you today is that when you hear about pre-launch price, do not delay. Especially those of you that have this money. If you can afford it, call your realtor, Iluyinka, #1 caring realtor in Lagos, Nigeria. Team lead Excel Properties Limited. Call me. Let's schedule an inspection. Let's go and see the place. If it's not what you want, tell us what you want. We will get you what you want. Do not delay any further. Quickly take advantage of pre-launch prices. I've given you example that we have, and I have full videos on my page of this estate that you can actually watch to see the fuller video that is about this estate. Talk about the features that they're going to give you, and the location, and in those that I'm actually on site, so you can see what is going on site. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of this video. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so you always know whenever I bring you lovely videos and updates like this one. And for those of you that have been here, my old subscribers, my most valuable players, God bless you. I'm really very grateful. And please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and also share with your loved ones, because they might just need this information. Bye.